4 things that a roofing warranty won't cover, coming up next.
Number 1. Acts of nature or extreme weather events. Many warranties exclude damage by natural disasters, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, or other extreme weather events. Damage resulting from hailstorms or wind-driven debris may also be excluded or have limited coverage. Number 2. Negligence or improper maintenance. Warranties often require proper maintenance of the roof. If the property owner fails to perform routine inspections, repairs, or maintenance as specified in the warranty, any resulting damage may not be covered. Negligence, improper repairs, or unauthorized alterations to the roof can also void the warranty. Number 3. Unauthorized contractors. Any services such as skylight installation, HVAC systems, solar, or anything else that involves the roof must be in coordination with the roofing contractor who provided the warranty, or it may void the warranty itself. Number 4. Non-commercial roofing components. Commercial roofing warranties typically cover the roofing materials and workmanship. It may exclude coverage for other components of the building, such as HVAC units, vents, skylights, or other non-roofing elements. Damage to these non-roofing components may need separate warranties or insurance coverage. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for videos just like this one.